Okay, what's good, guys? Hope you are doing good. FXF here. I know most of you don't know me. Yeah, my real name is Sadat Faisal. I'm from Ghana, a beginner trader from Ghana. Yeah, and I'm here to share my trading ideas with you guys, and I hope I'll find use of it. So, if you find this useful, please do well to subscribe to my channel FXF and share it as well. Let's go to the charts. So um I'm a swing and a day trader. As you can see, let's go to Euro GBP. Start with Euro GBP JPY or JPY. So we go to the daily. We start with the weekly. You can see that the weekly is creating. The weekly is creating and it's bullish. The weekly is bullish, is higher high, and then there's the higher lower here. Let's go to the daily. I usually look for 2 time frames in sync, or 3, if not 3, 2 times frames in sync. That's what I use to identify my trend. Let's go to the daily. The daily is also bullish as well. You can see this is the higher high and then the higher low right here. Let's go to the 4 and see if we finally get our 3 time frame in sync. Okay, I think the chicks higher high, higher low. Okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So the 4 hour is also bearish. So now we have 2 time frames in sync, which means we have towards buy. So we then go to the daily time frame and look for our AOI, which is the area of interest, or the POI, point of interest. So this is the daily Euro JPY. You can see that this is the higher high and then higher low. We identify our area of interest between the higher high and then the higher low. So let's check and see if we have any. We have the valid we identify a POI which has 3 touches. Okay, so a valid OI has to contain 3 touches. Okay, I mean it has to touch the EOI like maximum of 3 times. That's the maximum. I mean minimum here, minimum of 3 times here. Sorry you guys, sorry. So let's go to the left and see if we have what we are looking for. Okay, let me see right here. So this is how we identify our AOI. This we start by looking at it from the top. There is 1. You can see this is touching at 1. Let's go to this place. This is 1. We drag it to the left side of the chart. This 1. Okay, 2. Okay, it's only 2 here, 2. So it's not valid. This AOI is not valid. Let's go to the next 1, 2, 2. It is also not valid. So I think there is no active AOI in Euro JPY. Okay, so for me, I'll be looking for a counter trend trade on this particular pair. So in a trend lines, like okay, in market structure, before we create a lower high, we need to have a lower low. Okay, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Sorry for you guys. interrupt. This is my first time. I'm kind of nervous, but I'll keep going. So for the market to have a higher high, we need a higher low before a higher high. So and then the higher low will determine if we are touching the AOI, if you get what I'm saying. So you can see right here we are now creating a higher low. So I'm expecting a push to this side because this can be the minor AOI. Okay, so I'll go to the 4-hour time frame. It has given us the shift of structure. It was higher high right here, higher low, shifted structure, came back. So I need a retracement right here. I need a little bit retracement right here. This my number one is a little bit retracement right here, and then go down like this. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. And then as you can see, I want you to reject this EMA. Already it has rejected, but I need another rejection for me to confirm that it went down. That's what I need right now from this EuroJPY. So this is my number one pair for the week. My number one pair EuroJPY, the counter trend trade. Let's go to the next one. It's also high low on the weekly. The daily is also bullish. Daily is also higher low. Check this out. So the daily is also bullish, but then you can see it has a momentum of being bearish, okay, because this AOI is, we have the AOI near to the higher low. So when we break the higher low, we are creating a lower low, and then we will be looking for a lower high and then sell. So I'm not interested in Euro EUD right now because of how the structure is. So let's go to the next Euro USD. Euro USD, one of my best trade. I'm looking forward to taking this trade this week. The weekly is what? Okay. The weekly is higher high, higher low. The weekly is bullish, no doubt. It's bullish, okay. The weekly is bullish with no doubt. Let's go to the daily. The daily is bearish, lower low, lower high. And then you can see that the daily is rejecting this AOI right here, rejecting rise around psychological level. This one around psychological, how come do this? How come? I guys said this around psychological level. Psychological level 100. Rejecting this round psychological level, rejecting the EMA, and then rejecting my previous structure point right here. Okay, I need more rejection. I need more confirmation. This is not enough confirmation for me to take this trade because, as you can see, it can also break structure. Okay, it can break this lower high. It can break this lower high right here. It can break it, but then that's why I'm looking for strong confirmations. Okay, so I also need this this round psychological level 16500. I need it to be break. Okay, I need it to be rejected. I need the candlestick to reject it too. I need a candlestick rejection from the round psychological level 16500. Okay, and then it is rejection. As I said, it is reject. Give me the essential rejections. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is currently bearish. It's currently bearish. It's not easy, bro. Easy. High, high, low, lower, low, lower, high. I need more rejection from the that's why I said I need more rejection from this AOI, because this rejection is not enough for me, and then this shift of structure is also not enough for me as well, because it's not giving me that rejection. This rejection is not to my satisfaction, bro. So I need a I need a strong rejection from this right here. So I'll be looking for the break and retest. I'm waiting for it to take this trade, look for my other confirmations, and go. So Euro USD will be my number two, the second number two pair. Wow, the Euro pairs are really playing off. Let's go to NZD card. NZD card. Go to the weekly. See what we are. The weekly is bearish, value high. The daily is also bearish, and then the 4-hour is well. Higher high, higher low. 4-hour has not yet turned bearish. Let me open it and see. Okay, the 4-hour is bearish. The 4-hour is bearish. Go to the daily. We have the rejection from the POI, point of interest. Rejection from this round psychological level. Rejection from our previous structure point. Massive rejections. Good doji, it has given me a bearish engulfing, and then a doji as well. Go to the 4-hour time frame. This can be our number one trade. This is my number one trade for now. It is giving me all the essential rejections I need. I just need a little bit touch right here. If not getting this touch right here, if I don't get it, then I move on to the 2-hour time frame. Wow, bro. Wow. Tell me this is not gonna be playing out, bro. Tell me this is not gonna be playing out. I take this trade. I'm gonna take it back. I'll wait for a minute. I'll wait before 1-hour time frame. Wow, bro. Bro. 30 minutes time frame. Oh shit. Bro, this is my number one trade, bro. My number one pair. Number one pair right here. Put my stop loss right here above the EMA. I'm gonna take this trade. I'm gonna take this trade. I take this trade. Giving me the look at this juicy bearish engulfing. We have the look at this 1-hour bearish engulfing, 2-hour time frame bearish engulfing. We are now having the 4-hour rejection, so I think the 4-hour will give us a little bit tapping right here and then give us the rejection. I'm looking forward to taking this trade. So this is my number one trade. The D card. I've been calling this trade for about a month, for about weeks here. Can I say this? Call this for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. That's a month, 6 days, yeah. Okay, that's hopefully a week now. So I ended the card, my number one trade here. USDJPY, USDJPY, USDJPY weekly. The weekly is bullish. It has given us the change of structure or shift of structure. Higher high, higher low, right here. So we are bullish on the weekly. 4 hour is bearish. Higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Go to the daily. The daily is giving me the rejection from the AOI, rejection from the non-psychological level, rejection from the point of history, interest, rejection from not touching the EMA yet. It's not touching the EMA. It's not touching the EMA. We have the candlestick rejection doji. I need the daily to create this bullish engulfing. Then that's following day. I need the wick and then push. That's what I'm looking for. So if we go to the 4 hour right here, I need a 4 hour to give me this break, shift of structure, give me the retracement. I'll look for my entry signal and take the trade. So this will be my, this is also ready. I can take this as my fourth trade of the week. Fourth trade of the week, yeah. USD and USD JPY are at the same place. CAD JPY. Move on to the next. Lower low, lower high. No, lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high, higher high, low, lower low, lower high, high low. This is bullish. The weekly is bullish. Let's move on to the daily. The daily is also bullish. You can see with your eyes. You all can see with your eyes. Higher high, low, low, higher high, low, lower low, lower high, higher high, higher low. Give me the rejection from the AOI, rejection from the EMA, rejection from. Okay, this week I'll be waiting for the rejection from this one psychological level, and then that's what when I'll be looking for the bullish engulfing. I need the same daily candlestick I'll be looking for in CAD JPY. It's the same thing I'll be looking for in USD JPY. Yeah. If you heard what I said earlier. Okay, yeah, you can see that it's also rejecting this previous structure point. It's rejecting the previous structure point. Let's go to the 4 hour. I'm now looking for the shift of structure on the 4 hour. Shift of structure on the 4 hour. Rejection of the EMA, rejection from the 4 hour EMA, rejection from the psychological level, and then the point of interest, and give me some candlestick rejections as well. So this will be next to USD JPY, GBP CAD. GBP CAD, GBP CAD. Higher high, higher low. So the weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish. You can see it with your eyes. The 4 hour is also bullish. Higher high, higher low. The 4 hour is also bullish. So I'm looking for it. I'm now waiting for it to come to my AOI. It is not yet at my AOI, so I'm waiting for it to come there. So we'll keep our eye on it. So this will be right here. GBP USD. GBP USD. lower high. The daily, let's go to the weekly. Let's go to the weekly. Higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high. So the weekly is bearish. Daily is bearish as well. Lower low, lower high. 4 hour. Higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high. But this is not enough for me to take this trade. This is not enough for me to take this trade. Go to the daily. Go to the weekly first for this trade. You can see that the weekly is now giving us some kind of rejection from this place, from this weekly. This is also a weekly AOI. Yeah, this is also a weekly AOI. Rejection 1, 2, 3, 3. And that's it. 4, 5. It's a lot. Okay, we are getting. It is giving us that rejection. Let's go to the daily. So now the daily is giving us the rejection, and then this on top of our AOI. We don't want to see the candlestick. If we are selling, we need to see it under the AOI, not on top. But this is rather on top, so we're waiting for it to reject this AOI. This is not a proper rejection, therefore it is on top of the AOI. So we are looking for it to reject it and come under. Okay, so we're waiting for some maybe, not maybe. This not maybe. This not about maybe. Okay, we're looking for a bearish engulfing, a strong engulfing. Okay, we need a bearish engulfing because we want to sell. So we'll be looking for the bearish engulfing or the daily bearish engulfing. We'll be looking for a daily bearish engulfing. So after the daily bearish engulfing, that's where you can see that the 4 hour will give us this right here. One, we will need to see this break of the AOI. This, we are not looking for the break of structure. We've already got it. Has already given us the break of structure, but this is not the way we want it to be. Okay, so we want it to be, so you don't like this. How it is. Let me show you guys right here. If this is the high. Okay. So this is the AOI right here. The AOI is right here. Okay. This is the AOI right here. This is the AOI right here. Okay. So this is the bearish. This. Okay. Let's say this bearish. Okay. The 4 hour time frame. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. That's breaking. Bearish. The daily has already given us the bearish. Okay, the daily is bearish, but then if you come to the 4 hour, this is how it is: higher high, higher low, and then we had the shift of structure. Okay, this is not how we want to see it. We want to see it under like this. This is how we want to see it. Okay, so that's how we want to see this place. We want to see it break this AOI and then retrace it and then take the trade. Look at this. This is not good. It is giving us that this is a doji morning star formation. Then that's why you have to be sorry about I'm not good at English. Not that good yet, but you have to be like, you have to be vigilant. Okay, to the chart, you have to be vigilant, not just look at the chart and then okay, yeah, it is right here. Yeah, I can see that this is giving me the shift to structure. Okay, why not take the trade right here? No, like we need it to be aligned. Okay, like it should make sense. This does not make sense. We are on top of the UI and you are looking to buy, and it is rejecting. Come on, how can you tell me to buy this? Sell this? No, it's not worth it. Okay, so we're looking for the breakers, break and retest of the EOI. That's what we are looking for. GBP USD next to Euro USD or USD JPY. Let's go to GBP AUD. GBP AUD is higher, higher low. The weekly is bearish, giving us the retracement on the weekly or rejection. This is gold, bro. This is fucking gold, nigga. And this is what we're looking for, nigga. This is the weekly. The weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish. Higher high, higher low. 4-hour bullish. You can take the trade right here. Okay, you can take the trade right here, but I think this will be giving us that daily retracement. Okay, I think this will be giving us that daily retracement. To give us that daily retracement. That's what I take it to. To give us something like this and then move up. That's what I think it will be giving us. And that's what I'm also looking for. Okay? Because this is not giving me any sign of giving out a continuation trend right here. It's not giving me any sign of that. It is also a daily OI. So I'll be looking for the retracement, the daily retracement right here. So this will be next to GBP card. GBP JPY. GBP JPY is bullish, the weekly is bullish, and daily is bullish. 4 hours. Man, I'm not taking this counter trend. This is a very risky. This is a high risk trade. I'm not taking this, so I'm just looking for the daily to come and then touch this UI right here. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'll keep an eye on this trade. Have you noticed this? It's like the pairs are aligning with each other. Okay, look at this. It's just that only the NZD card and then only the NZD card. Look at the Euro JPY, Euro USD next to Euro USD, USD JPY, card JPY. They are next to each other. GBP USD, GBP card, the GBP AUD, GBP JPY. Wow. Wow. Let's go to the NZD JPY next. Okay, NZD JPY, the weekly is what? Damn, bro. Higher high. Higher high. Higher low. Giving us is bullish. The weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish. Higher high. Higher low. former is bearish. I tell you, yeah, the former is bearish. So we are looking for just let's go to the daily and see the chakras. It is rejecting this AOI right here. This is a daily AOI. Rejection from this AOI. That's the only rejection we have, and then a Doge. Okay. So I'm expecting it to break and retest this AOI. Okay. And then the 4 also hit a shift of structure. And then to give us that left hair right shoulder pattern. So this will be next to GBP AUD. Oh, sorry. Euro USD and GBP USD. Euro USD. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, should be the same like that. Should be like that. Move to Euro GBP. From this weekly. I just noticed something, guys. Even at the rejection from this AOI. Yeah, I can see that rejection. So, okay. You have the weekly retracement. So the weekly is high. The weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish. High, low. And then the 4 hour is also high, low. So let's go to the daily. The weekly touching the OI, giving us some rejection. The week rejections right here. You can see that it's giving us the rejection, the weekly, and the weekly OI also. So the weekly OI also serves as the daily OI, okay, which means this is a valid OI. Look at this. It's rejecting it, bro. It's fucking rejecting it. Rejection from the daily AOI as well. Rejection from EMA. So we need this bullish momentum right here. The daily. This is not giving me. This is only a rejection. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It can be like it's also giving us some momentum of bullish momentum, but I see this as just rejection, but not giving it. We can have a rejection and go the other way around, okay? And then you can also have, but then when we have the momentum, you can see here, this has a bullish momentum. That's when you have those bullish engulfing, and then the rejections. You can see that it's giving the rejection and some confluence is telling you that it is going up. This is giving me only rejection, but look at this bearish engulfing. You can see that the rest are a lot right here, okay? So I need that bullish momentum right here. So now let's go to the 4 hour. I'll be looking for the break. Okay, the break and retest on this 4 hour AOI right here. So that's what I'm looking for. If not that, I'll be looking for the good shift of structure retracement and take the trade. So Euro GBP be under GBP USD card. High low, weekly bullish, daily bullish. 4 hours also giving me bullish, high low. So just waiting for the good retracement. This is not a proper retracement, okay? Just looking for a good retracement on this AOI right here. That's what I'm looking for. This will be on the GBPs. The JPY. Let's go to the weekly. What the fuck? How should I take this trade? I'm not taking this trade. I don't know why I'm smiling. Check this out. Okay, look at this. You can see that this week it is giving me the weekly is giving me the week under this AOI, although it is bullish, okay? So this is why I'm smiling. For us to take this trade, we'll be looking for a weekly candlestick like this. The weekly should break this AOI. That's what I'll be looking for. Check this. Let's go to the day. So this shows that we have to look. We need the break and retest on this daily AOI. We need that daily break and retest on the AOI. Okay, we need the break and retest on the daily AOI. Simple, bro. Simple as that. Let's wait for this. This might be days or weeks, so we can take this trade next 2 weeks. Okay, we are in today is Sunday, right? Yeah, so that's next week. We'll be taking this trade next week, so this is gonna be a next week trade. So we need a daily break and retest. Daily break and retest. With that, you can see that here. The weekly is giving me a body. We need a body break on this AOI, okay? So this will be under USD card. Let's go to USD. Lower high. Let's go to the daily. Lower high. Lower high. Needed to touch this AOI right here. So we'll be keeping an eye on this trade, on this pair too. So that's what we are looking for. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what it is giving us. We need this. the structures don't touch the COI, and then shift of structure from the 4 hour. We look for our entry signals, boom, and then we take the trade. So this will be S2 USD card or GBP JPY here. I'm taking let it be like this. NZD USD. NZD USD not giving me anything. This is lower, high. NZD USD has been adjusted, okay. Euro CHF. I don't like the CHF. The Swiss francs pairs, okay. It is at the lowest point it has ever been. That's why I don't want to take this trade. Not interested. AUD card. High, high, low. This not giving me that energy and the vibes to take the trade. Oh, look at this. Not interested with the AED card as well. Go to the phone and see. Not interested. GBP NZD. The same has been adjusted. GBP NZD. Same right here, not interested. CHF is also at the lowest point it has ever been. Not interested. I'm not a few index or a futures trader, okay? So just look at this shit. How do you want me to trade this, okay? No, I can't trade. Like, this is too volatile, okay? It is too volatile. Not interested in this. Where is our AOI? We can't find the AOI unless we go to the 4 right here. Let's go to the 4. Look at this, the AOI. No. Same. Okay. Lower low, lower high. Okay, I'm seeing something right here. Go to the 4. So this USD CHF, just waiting for this retracement right here, okay. Waiting for this retracement. Waiting for this retracement right here, okay. That's what I'm waiting for. As I call this kind of 900. So I'll just wait for this right here. And then I'll take the trade. don't, and also I don't trade gold as well. Come on, how should I trade this thing, bro? How will I trade it? Trade this. I don't trade BTC as well. Bitcoin. I don't trade Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin be going down, bro. Damn, bro. So guys, this is the pairs I'm looking forward to trading this week. NZDK, Euro JPY, Euro USD, NZD JPY, USD JPY, CAD JPY, GBP USD. Yeah, Euro JPY. So here they are. Um, hope you guys find it useful, and if you do find it useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel. My name is Sadat Faisal. I'm known as FX Surf. I'm new in the industry, a beginner day trader. See you guys.